So I've decided that I've been getting by upon the kindness of strangers, and I think that I'm going to spend the rest of my time trying to pay that back. So the other day I saw this woman walking down the side of the road, and she was older, and it was 99 degrees outside, and I looked in my rear view and I thought surely somebody's going to pick her up. But nobody did, so I flipped around and I picked her up and I gave her a ride, and she was really thankful. And just thinking back on all the times that the kindness of strangers helped me. When I lived in college, I got a flat tire on my bike in a town that I wasn't familiar with, and people helped me. And just today in the grocery store, I said hello to the woman behind me, and just she was 95 and she talked with me. And I think sometimes just being seen by other people, especially when you've lived in a town where you don't know anyone, it's really easy to feel invisible, and that's a horrible feeling. And so just to say hello, or just to get something off the shelf for someone, or you want to be safe if you're giving people rides. But I'm just really thankful for those little things, and it's usually strangers, because you don't owe them anything, they don't owe you anything, and that's what makes it so beautiful, and that's what just restores my faith in humanity and just makes me so happy. So I hope I'm as cool as that 95-year-old woman who was bouncing around Walmart today, and I hope that I meet more people like that.